Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can insert an image into your Google document. So we have here a document and I would like to insert a photo in this document. So the first thing you need to do is to identify the spot where you want to insert this image. And for my case, I just want to insert the image just after the title. Now, so here's the image that I would like to insert into that spot. And what we need to do is just to follow some 2 steps and it will be done. So to insert an image, go ahead and identify the spot where you want to insert the image. For instance, I want to insert my image just after the title. So I'll go ahead and create some space under the title and identify the spot, that is the empty space I want to insert this image. Once you're done so, the next thing we need to do is to go and click on insert, which is this function. It is under the toolbar on top here. So click on insert and from here scroll down until you see the image function, which is this. Now, when you click on it, it will give you options from where you want to take or to select your image. For my case, I have it on my computer, so I'll upload it from computer. So if you have it on your Google Drive or from the search or web, you can as well use all these functions, or if you just have the image URL, you can as well select this option and it will do so. You can as well choose the image from your photos. If you have them on your email under your photos, Google will retrieve that image and will be able to select the specific image to insert. For my case, I'll select upload from computer and this will take me to my computer and I'll have to go to the location of the image. Mine is under downloads, so I'll click on downloads and go ahead and look for the image, and this is the schoolgirl image that I want to insert. I'll click on it and then click on open. Immediately you click on open, the image will be inserted and will be good to go. Now there are so many other things that you can do from here. One, you can resize the image from this spot. To resize your image, maybe to fit the specific place or to meet the specific size that you want, go ahead and use this option to try and scale it up or down. Now, if you do that, you can see your image will be resized. You can also do it from the other end and you'll achieve that. So just adjust it to fit your requirements or to fit your options. Now, the next thing you'll wish to do is to move the image either left or right. And to do that, you can use the options here. As you can see here, it is aligned on the left. If you want to wrap the text before it, you can as well click on this function and you'll see the text has been wrapped around it. But I don't want that. I'll go back to align on the left. Alternatively, if you want to move it on the right hand side, you can use this option on top here, indicating the direction where you want to move it. And if you want to move it on the right, if you click on it, you can see the image is moving. If you want to return it to the center, you can as well click on this and make sure that it is at the center to achieve your perfect positioning. If you still want it to lean on the left and to be in line with your writings or with your numbers, with your words, go ahead and click left until it aligns with the words or with your sentences. So that's how we insert an image into a Google document. If you have extra documents, you can go ahead, choose the specific spots you want to insert it, follow the same procedure, and your image will be inserted successfully. So if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching and let's meet in the next video.